they are holding this traditional thing. We live together, we love each other, we are one, we are the Naga. Yo, hello Northeast people, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Tripura, Assam. From where you're watching, guys, peace from Africa. This is your African boy, Gabs, and today we are going to see one more of Nagaland video, guys, music video. Today is a music video because recently I was also reacting to the Nagaland festival, the Hornbill festival. You know, it was just recently celebrated and I just love it, guys. I just love it. I can't wait next year to come to Nagaland and witness with my own eyes, and also to make my own vlog to explore Nagaland and to try their traditional food and to try how they shoot that gun for the hornbill cognac cultural troop. I can't wait to shoot that gun, guys. So that is it. Today we are checking. We are the Naga Manu. Yeah, they say like that. So we are checking these guys from AwangNaga. That is the channel. And don't forget, kindly, guys, I'm requesting, show me some love. Nagaland people, Northeast people, this channel is only for you. I'll be doing reaction for you also, and one day also I will come to your state, like the same way I did to the Meghalayan people. I don't need to express, but go into my channel, you will see my vlog in Meghalaya. I visited Meghalaya, I enjoy Meghalaya, I love the Khasi people, and because of their support I decided to go there, guys. And I was just doing a reaction video for them, and a lot of them, they supported my channel, they subscribed to my channel, they watch my videos. So definitely I will do the same to Nagaland people and other state. I also visited Assam, guys. So love you all, subscribe, and let's go. RK production, let's go. Let's go. We are the Naga official music video. Ayo, ayo. I watched this music already, guys. I watched. Hey, you can see this one. I have it there, guys. I got it from Meghalaya. How do you call it? The ones they are holding. I just love their dress, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to try. They have that thing also, they do like the horn or what. How do you call it? People are so beautiful, man. See their traditional also. 15 drives me leak in a Nagaland banay se ahib biyate magan so milibo kun hinaka manu ase. Muy bin Naga ase, tui bin Naga ase, muy bin Naga ase, tui bin Naga. We are the hills people, we live together and we love each other. We are the one, oh we are the Naga. Wow, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. I love that one. The song is beautiful. We are the Naga. We live together, we love each other. We are the Naga. We are the one. We are the Naga. Okay. Telling we are the hills people. We live together. We love each other. We are all one. Naga Manu. I love that phrase. I love that one. Si bye Kalen. holding this traditional thing. We live together, we love each other, we are one, we are the Nagas. Naga Manu, ayo, ayo. We are the Nagas, Naga Manu. We live together. We love each other. Oh, I love that one. I love that. I love the music, guys. The music is so inspiring. So inspiring. I just love it. And the best thing is that like he was singing both in the local and mixed together in English. And my favorite part is we are the hill people. We live together. We love each other because we are one. That is who? That is Naga Manu, guys. This song is really so beautiful, so amazing. AwangNaga official music video. It is so inspiring. I just love everything about this song. This song basically is a very good way of presenting your own country. I mean your own state. Okay, it's presenting his own state in a very good way, traditional, culturally talented, like in a professional way. You can see he's showcasing the way how Naga people live, what they dress, and who are they. So Naga people, the hill people. Oh, that is really so amazing, guys. You know how Northeast people are famous for when it comes to the hill and the mountain, like hilly areas. So this is how the ancestors and this is how they are living up to now, guys, and this is what made them unique. And the good thing is they live together and they love each other. We all need peace, guys. We should also pray for peace to Manipur. You all know what is happening there. Love from Africa, guys. Thank you so much. We are the Nagas, Naga Manu. Let's live together. Let's love each other, guys. This is all what we need in this world. Thank you so much. Make sure to suggest what next can I take, guys. Love all, love you all, love all, and love you all. Till next time.